Alright, Suzuki Swift EZ radiator replacement. Took the cross member off. You got to undo the bracket. You put the cable back on, and then it's going to jump off as usual. Goes that way. Goes on a little lug there. I'll set it up. Hang on. Just doing it. It looks like that. Alright. It'll sit in there. The end breaks off. That's common. Just sit it on the end, and if it breaks, all it's got to do is pull it. That's it. Now about a bit. Bolt it back on. All that's got to come off. That can stay. If you loosen off the bottom two bolts, one there, the fan will slide out. If you undo the top bolts and the radiator hose, you slide that out. Put it under the front bar. 2 screws up here. You don't need to undo all the bottom. Just pull it forward. 2 clips here, one there, and a couple of bolts in the front. Go to that support. Just don't stuff the radiator on the sharp bits. Just go easy on it. Pull it out. It sits on the 2 dowels, rubber mounts the radiator, and it's got little brackets on the top. It's pretty obvious. Just put them in order, right, left. My one blew out along here on the other one, so I had to peel it back to have a look. So have a look at that. But I'll leave the hose on, the bottom one, because it's a pain. Just sit it back on there like that, ready to go back in. So that makes life easier. Catch a cool one if you want. Mine's rubbish. It's going in wherever it's going. But yeah, peel the hose back. No need to undo them all. Sit it back. But as soon as you take that cross member off, it's exposed. Everything. But you can slip that out, the fan out first. Undo the bolts on the top. You can sew them easy as. That's the front. There and there. When you're putting it back together too, see these rubbers? They've got to go back in. Because the condenser sits on that. Got little points on it, on the bottom. You'll see it's very clear. But this is an easy job. One knock off work. 3 o'clock, it broke on the driveway. It's 4:30 now, and I had to go 30k round trip and get fuel at the same time. I'm almost done. This is an easy job. Take your time doing it. Don't damage your radiator. Go easy. But yeah, just put that hose back on. That'll make life easier. Put the rubbers back in. Don't lose them. And bolt it back up. I wish I could do this and show you in slow motion or whatever, and edit the videos, but I can't do that yet. So yeah, there's 2 screws up in these corners. They're easy. Just take the screw out, Phillips head. You go through that hole and they go upwards. So up into there. Basic. But this is a basic job. Wouldn't take that out, just leave it there, just don't damage anything. Easy going. This is a bit of a pain. You might need someone to give you a hand, sit it back a bit. But that only has 2 bolts in the top, and that just keeps out the way. So just take your time with it. It's an easy job, basic. I'll be done in 20 minutes.